So hey guys, also welcome back to our channel, and this is the fifth video of our series creating Jarvis virtual assistant using Python, and this is going to be the last video of our series. And in this video we're going to do a lots of interesting and huge tasks. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so in the this was the code that we have done previously, and in the previous video I have told you that we're going to make our Jarvis to clear the remember file by using the user command. Okay, so I have done it and I'm going to explain you. Okay, so this is the code here. First we have set up an elif student where the user will say clear remember file in command. Okay, after that we have created a variable named file, and then what we have done is used open function to open the remember.txt, which is this file where the Jarvis will store everything that we told him to remember. Okay, after that we have given a comma and write w, which means that it will open our file in writing mode so that our Jarvis can change or modify or write something in it. Okay, so after that we have used file dot write, which is a function, and inside the parameter we have passed f an empty string, which will which will make everything empty. Okay, which will convert everything into the emptiness, so it will write empty. Okay, after that it will say done sir. Okay, suppose I write let me show you a quick demo. See this remember.txt file.
Good morning, sir.
Remember, you are silly.
I don't understand.
Remember that I need to attend my online class.
You told me to remember that I need to attend my online class.
What do you remember?
You told me to remember I need to attend my online class.
Clear remember file.
Done, sir. Everything I remember has been deleted.
Okay, so you can see it will delete everything in this remember.txt. Okay, so now after that what we're going to do is just we're going to set up two elif for making our Jarvis to shut down a computer. Okay, so we'll write elif, and when the user says shut down in command, then what we're going to do is just make it to talk, and then we will make it to talk again, like 3 2 1, which is a countdown. Okay, so why I'm giving this full stop is because it will stop after the full stop. Okay, so it will say like 3 2 1 instead of saying 3 2 1. And then what we're going to do is we're going to need a module called os. So we're going to need a module called os, so we'll write import os. Okay, so you don't have to install it. And then what we're going to do is os dot system, and inside the parameter we will write shutdown, and we will give space and write /s/t and 1. Okay, so this after so while running this command it will shut down our computer. Okay, so let me copy this command and paste it over here, and let's create a restart also. Okay, so whenever the user say restart in command, then restarting the PC in 3 2 n, and instead of yes we are going to change and make it to r so that it will restart. Okay, so that's what the basic code. And now what we're going to do is, suppose when I say search Donald Trump, search Bill Gates, then it will go on the internet and search for the person, and so what's the result. Okay, so to do that we're going to need a module called web browser. So suppose go on okay, I'll give the link in the description below. So search for web browser and go on this copy web browser, copy this link, or you can directly search for copy. Okay, so you will see this pypi website. Okay, go and copy this and then open the terminal, new terminal, and then paste the code, hit the enter. Then it's going to download some required file. Okay, after that you can do like import web browser and go over here, and then let's create let's create another elif where the user will say search in command. Then what we're going to do is just create a new file, a variable called user command equals. What we're going to do is just we're going to replace command dot replace, we're going to replace search with empty string so that it will remove search. And then what we're going to do is change this user command equals user command dot lower. Okay, so that it will change everything to lower, and we will write web browser dot open. What we're going to open is user cm, and then we're going to make it talk like this is what I found on the internet. Let's run.
Good morning, sir.
Search Bill Gates.
This is what I found on the internet.
Okay, so you can see it is showing us the result. Okay, after that let me remove it, and now we're going to create some automations. Okay, suppose whenever I run this and say something like
Good morning, sir.
play believer.
Playing Believer.
Okay, so then it will go on the internet and play believer for us, but I want to pause it without using my hand. Suppose I'm eating some chips or something, then I need to pause it by using my voice. So to do that, what we're going to do is just creating a new command over here. Elif pause
Hi, boss. How are you?
video. So in the YouTube, whenever you press the K, then it's going to play, and whenever you press the K, it's going to stop. Okay, so we're going to set two conditions at a time. If there is pause in command, or if there is play in command, then what we're going to do is we're going to use a module pyautogui dot press. What we're going to press K, and we're going to do like make it to talk done sir. Okay, now let's run.
Good morning, sir.
Play, let's go.
Playing Believer.
Pause video.
Done, sir.
Play video.
Playing video.
Whoa, we got some error. Okay,
Google Plus, sometimes written as Google Plus, sometimes called G Plus, is a defunct social.
so what's the error is whenever you say play, then you can see where we have written play. Okay, we have written play in this song. Okay, so it's going to play, so it's going to do this at first. So now what we're going to do is just changing this play to or anything. Okay, start, and then here we will write stop the video. So let's run.
Good morning, sir.
Play, let's go.
Playing, let's go.
Stop.
Done, sir.
Start.
Done, sir.
Close.
Closing, sir.
Okay, so you can see that's this by using this technique you can automate your daily activities. Okay, so isn't it amazing that you are just saying k like you are just saying stop, start, and it's going to stop or start. Okay, so you can do like this, and we're going to add some more functionality like if users say turn on okay, we are going to write full screen in command. Then what we're going to do is just pasting this same thing, and by pressing it, let's restart it.
Good morning, sir.
Start.
Done, sir.
Full screen.
Done, sir.
Turned off. Full screen.
Done, sir.
Stop.
Done, sir.
Okay, so likewise you can do like this, which is pretty awesome, and you can add a lots of things like whenever you want to turn it to the traitor mode, then you can like press T by using okay, so let me show you. Copy this bunch of code, paste over here, and then traitor mode, and here it will press T, and
Happy
then
to hear you.
so let me delete it at first. Okay, so that much for this today's video, and in this series I have shown you how you can create your own virtual assistant which will help you to automate your basic tasks like playing video, doing something, and searching for something. You can do like this, and which will make your tasks automate, and it will do it in less time, so that you will save your time also. Okay, so this is not and completely AI, but we have tried to make it as much better as you can. So yeah, that's much for this today's video, and in the next what you want to learn or in which series you want next video, then you can comment down below. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.